Hi Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominic if you're new, and in today's video I'll be installing this 13 by 6 30-inch chocolate brown body wave unit from Mamushow hair. All details for this hair can be found down in the description box below. And I love me a good chocolate brown, especially if it's a body wave. 10s across the board. So if you want to see how I achieved this install, keep on watching.
I think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching the movies, but we ain't seen the thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but you making me keep. stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna go, I don't really wanna stay, but I don't wanna. Can we get it together? Get it together. You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I don't really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it? Yeah. And I don't wanna. I don't really wanna go. I don't really wanna stay. Don't want to stay. Get it together. Get it together. Let's get it together, babe. I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no. With the love we shared, baby, it's all so rare. I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is here in me. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go. How you feel? Let me know how you feel. I don't wanna stay. Don't want to go. But you gotta let me know just how you feel. Yeah, I don't wanna stay. No, no. I don't really wanna go, and I don't want to go. Get it together. Come on, babe, let's get it together. I really
If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. You're lonely in the room, really slowly. When you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. Touch is making me feel way, ooh. When I get around you, I lose it. Lose it, 'cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate, that you really inside. You deserve it, I'm the line, alright, lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, touch it. When you touch, you know it's okay.
And this is the final look of the install. This wig holds curls so good, and like I said, I love me a good chocolate brown wig. All the details for this wig can be found down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think of this install. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Mwah.